Okay, so let's start the today's session. So as you all know, we have started the first topic from your maths part 1, that is angles and measurements. So in this we have seen the measurement of the angles in the two forms. One is in the degree and other is in the radian. We have seen how to convert from radian to degree or degree to radian. Okay, and we started the exercise 1.1, and I think we have solved near about 10 questions from this. Now let's today finish this and let's move to the next topic. Okay, so today's first question is that, okay, so let me have the question. So today's first question is 12th one. Okay, let me have this question. Okay, let me paste here. So if you have any doubt anywhere, you can ask me. So let's zoom it. Okay, so first let's read this question as it is. One angle of the quadrilateral has a measure 2 pi by 5 radian. Okay, and the measures of other three angles are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find their measures in the degree and radian. Okay, so first of all we have to understand that quadrilateral. Okay, what do you mean by quadrilateral? It is having the four laterals, and the major angle, one angle is they have given as a 2 pi by 5. The measure of the three angles are in the ratio 2:3:4. Okay, so for this we should know that for any given quadrilateral, the sum of the interior angles. Okay, let's take this square example. Okay, so sum of the interior angles of any quadrilateral is always equals to 360 degree. This we have to understand. Okay, so let me write that sum of interior angles, sum of the interior angles of given quadrilateral or any given quadrilateral, okay, is always equal to 360 degree. Okay, so with this I can solve this question very easily. One angle is given. Let's take, for example, let's take this is an ABCD quadrilateral. Of course it's not a square. This first angle is known as a 2 pi by 5. It's in the radian. Okay, it's in the radian, and other three are in the ratio 2:3:4. So for that purpose what I can say is the sum of the interior angles, so that is 2 pi by 5, okay, plus sum of these three angles. So let's take, these are, they have given in the proportionality, so 2:3:4. Let's take proportionality constant as a k. So those three angles becomes what? 2k, 3k and 4k. I hope you are getting this. Okay, so to remove that proportionality I have taken the proportionality constant k. So I can simply add all of this, 2k plus 3k plus 4k, and this is equals to how much? It's in the 360 degree as I have noted here. As I have noted here, I will, okay, so 360 degree. So this is equals to what we have? 2 pi radian. Exactly, it's in the 2 pi radian, because this is in the radian. Now I will take all these angles are in the radian, so that's why I have, on the right hand side also we have to take as a radian, so it's a 2 pi. Okay, good. So from this let's solve this now. So 2 pi by 5 plus, so 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is 9, so this becomes 9k. It is equals to 2 pi. Now let's solve for k. So what you will get? So 9k, it is equals to how much? It's a 2 pi minus 2 pi by 5, which is equals to, if I do cross multiplication, I will have 10 pi minus 2 pi upon 5. Okay, 5 into 2 is 10, so it becomes 8 pi by 5. Okay, so it becomes 8 pi by 5. So from this you can solve for k. So k is equals to how much? It is 8 pi by 9 into 5 is 45. Okay, so you can keep this as it is, or 5 into 9 you can have in any ways. Is it okay, everyone? So k is equals to how much? It's a 8 pi by 5 into 9. So if this is the case, now let's find out these angles 2k, 3k and 4k. Okay, so from this we'll get what is 2k will be. So 2k will be what? It is a 2 into 8 pi by 9 into 5. It is 45. Okay, it's in the radian I am talking about. Okay, it's in the radian. Now what will be the next? We have 3k. So 3k will be what? It's a 3 into 8 pi by 45. So ये कितना हो गया? 16 pi by 45. This much is 24 pi by 85. Sorry, 45. And the last one we have is the 4k. So this will be equals to 4 into 8 pi by 45. This will be 32 pi by 45. Is it okay, everyone? Yes, please. Is it okay, everyone? Have you understood this question? Okay, so these are the three angles. So from the figure we have taken these three angles as an angle. Let's consider it's a B angle, C angle and D angle. Okay, and A angle is known, that is a 2 pi by 5. So this becomes my angle B, this is C and this is D. Again I am telling you, I have just taken this square as a any simple quadrilateral. Definitely the given quadrilateral is not a square. अगर ये square होता तो we should have here pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2. Okay, and the last angle they have given, which is nothing but 2 pi by 5. So these are all the angles of the quadrilateral. Yes, good, everyone has understood. I am happy for that. Now देखो भाई, this question doesn't end here. They want the answer in the degree as well as in the radian. Okay, I have given you the approach. We solved for all the angles in the radian. Okay, now it's your turn to convert this radian into degree. I hope everyone will do this. Is it? Take this question as a homework and just convert the given radians into degree. Okay, great, very good. Now let's check the what is next question is. Okay, so next question is like this. Now the next questions are very important. Okay, so question number 13 will take. Okay, great, these questions are very good questions. Let's have space here. Okay, good. The question number 13 says that find the degree and radian. Okay, again we have to find the answer in the degree as well as the radian. Find the degree and radian measure of exterior and interior angles of regular. This term is very important. Okay, regular, pentagon, hexagon, septagon and octagon. Okay, so first of all we have to understand what do you mean by regular polygon. Regular polygon. So polygon means it will be having n sides or n angles. Okay, so see here, penta means how much? Penta means how much? It's a 5. It is having 5 angles. Pentagon, it is having 5 angles or 5 sides. Hexagon means what? It's having 6 angles. Septagon is having 7 angles or 7 sides, and octagon is nothing but 8 angles. Okay, good. Now understand the regular polygon. Regular polygon means what? Suppose we have the regular hexagon. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Suppose this is what we have, the regular hexagon. Okay, now regular means what? Regular means that the interior angle are equal. All the interior angles and the exterior angles are equal. Okay, this is meant by the regular. If it is not a regular, then we could have the image like this: 1 2 3 ये 4 5 6. This could be the figure. Okay, this becomes the pentagon. Okay, no problem. See, we'll have the irregular pentagon. This is what we have, irregular pentagon. So this angle, no, it's a quadrilateral. So 4. It is not a regular because the angles are not same inside. Interior angles are not same. Okay, so for that we say this is what we have, the irregular one, and this is the regular one. This is a regular one. Okay, having understanding this regular polygon, let's now understand what do you mean by interior and exterior angles. I hope you know this. What do you mean by interior and exterior angles? Okay, suppose I have this horizontal x-axis, and suppose this is one ray we have here. Suppose this is a point O and this is a point A. If this is the angle theta, and definitely this angle is known as the interior angle. Okay, this angle is known as the interior angle. Interior angle. Okay, what happened? Okay, this is known as an interior angle. Now what will be the exterior angle then? So exterior angle is nothing but this much will be the exterior angle. Okay, this becomes my exterior angle. Okay, so can you give me the relation between these two, interior and exterior? Of course, always in any figure, the interior plus exterior, interior angle plus exterior angle, it is always equals to 180 degree, and it is true for all. Interior plus exterior is always equals to 180 degree. Make a note of this. Okay, so this is always true. Now let's coming back to the question. Having understanding this interior, exterior and the regular polygon, let's understand the question. The question is saying, okay, find the degree and radian of exterior and interior angle of the regular. Let's take an example of hexagon. Okay, same example we will take. So let me draw the hexagon. Okay, so this is how the hexagon looks. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's name this as A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, this becomes my D. Okay, this becomes D. Now always remember that one theorem, you can take this as a theorem, that sum of exterior angles, sum of exterior angles of regular polygon. Polygon means what? It could be anything, anything. Pentagon असेल, hexagon असेल, octagon, septagon, okay, decagon, any polygon, that sum of exterior angles for any regular polygon is always equals to 360 degree. Always remember. And the term important one is what? It's a regular one. It should be regular, then only we can say this is equals to 360 degree, otherwise we cannot. Okay, so with the help of this note or theorem, what we can say is that the regular hexagon में कितने angles have? Exterior angles, how many exterior angles we have? First exterior angle, so this becomes my first exterior angle, this becomes the second exterior angle, ये, this becomes the third one, this becomes the fourth one. These all are exterior angles, because the exterior angle is what? It's 180 minus interior angle. Okay, of course now this is what we have, the interior angle, this is interior angle. So A का exterior angle कौन सा गया? This will be The A is exterior angle. Okay. Now what I told you, the sum of the exterior angles of the regular polygon is 360. As it is a regular one, all the inside angles are same. Just now we have discussed here that in the regular all the interior angles are same. So this angle, all these 6 angles are same. If all interior angles are same, what happens to their exterior angles? What happens to their exterior angles? These exterior angles will also become same. Yes or no? These all exterior angles will also become same. Yes? Good. Okay. So what I can say is that the sum of the exterior angles is equals to 360 degree. So can I take that exterior angle as sum means 5k? Okay. If suppose that we have the k as one angle, suppose we have that k degree is the one angle, so what will be the sum here? The sum becomes a 6k, and that 6k should be equals to 360 degree. Yes or no? Yes. So let, we'll write as let the exterior angle A, it is equals to k degree. Therefore, how many angles we have total? Exterior angle A, B, C, D, E, F, that becomes the exterior angle sum, it is equals to 6k. I hope you are agree with this, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles I am adding. So this becomes 6k, and this 6k should be equals to what? This 360 degree. It is a 360 degree. Is it okay? Perfect. Okay. So एक k के angle कितना हो गया? The k degree becomes what? It is a 360 degree divided by 6. So this becomes 60 degree. So 1k becomes a 60 degree. Okay. So let me write here that this becomes the 60 degree. This becomes 60 degree. And each and every angle becomes a 60 degree now. Okay. 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. If this is a 60 degree, can you give me what is the interior angle? How much will be the interior angle? Please comment. How much will be the interior angle equals to? Yes, please give me the answers. Yes, please. How much will be the interior angle? We know that the relation interior plus exterior is always equals to 180 degree. If 60 degree is the exterior angle, then what will be the interior angle? Yes. Great. Okay. Yes, I am waiting for the answers. Please answer this. Everyone, Swapnil, Nikita, Shalaka, yes, please, Vaidehi. Interior plus exterior, it is equals to 180 degree बोला है, and exterior angle is known, which is 60 degree. Okay, plus interior we don't know, which is equals to 180 degree. So interior how much it will be? It is 180 minus 60. So this is equals to 120 degree. Yes, Sahil, good, very good beta. Okay, this is what we get the interior angle. So all the interior angles become 120 degree. ये 120, ये 120, and all the angles become 120 degree. Good, Nikita, yes. Okay, so what is the final answer for this question is the exterior angle is equals to 60 degree and the interior angle is equals to 120 degree. Now what we have to do is we want the answer in the degree as well as in the radian. Now of course it's your turn to find out their respective radians and complete this question. I hope you will do this. Yes, will you please? Great. Now let's see. I will take one more question. Okay, so let's take this septagon. Okay, let's take this septagon. This is somewhat, you may find this is a difficult, but it is actually it is not. Okay, it will follow the same procedure. That is, find the exterior and interior angle of the regular septagon. So it's question number 3. Okay, a regular septagon So how many angles you will find here in the regular septagon? How many angles you will find? You will find there are 7 interior and 7 exterior angles we will have. And as it is regular, all the 7 interior angles are same and all the 7 exterior angles will be same. Okay. Now without figure I am drawing now. Without figure I will try to solve this. We know that the sum of the regular polygon, sum of exterior angles of regular polygons, sum of the exterior angles of regular polygon is always equals to 360 degree. Please make note that it is only for the exterior angle. Okay, you cannot have the interior angle equals to 360 degree. बघा ना, हा एकटाच 120 डिग्री बरोबर आहे. मग 12 12 दूनी 24 240 झाले, 12 त्रिक 36, 360 डिग्री हो गया भाई. यहाँ पे द सम ऑफ द एंगल्स बिकम 360 डिग्री. ओनली 3 एंगल्स 360 हो गया. मतलब 360 प्लस 360 720. मतलब interior angle sum how much? It is a 720 in the hexagon. So what we have is the theorem is only for the exterior angle, not for interior. Please make note that. Okay. So sum of this exterior angle is equals to 360 degree. Now what equation you will have for regular septagon? एक exterior angle we have consider, let one exterior angle equals to how much we will take? K degree, or you take it's a K radian, anything. Okay, so let's take K degree. So using this, what equation you can have here? So 7K degree, it is equals to 360 degree. I hope it is clear. Okay, 7K degree is equals to 360 degree. So from this I can find out that K degree is equals to how much? It is 360 divided by 7. Yes, it is 360 divided by 7. ये हो गया अपना एक exterior angle. It becomes one exterior angle. Now can we have interior angle for this? Please tell me what will be the interior angle now. So interior angle will be equals to, it is 180 degree minus exterior angle, which is nothing but 180 degree minus 360 degree upon 7. Is it okay? So if I solve this further, what I will get is that 7 into 180 degree minus 360 degree upon 7. Okay, so how we will solve this? So 18 into 7 how much? So yes please, it is 1260. 1260 minus 360 upon 7. This is equals to, so 1260 minus 360 becomes 900 upon 7. So this becomes in the degree, and this is what we have the interior angle. Okay, this becomes my interior angle. So no problem, you can solve this question in the radian itself. Okay, starting से आप लोग radian में भी चालू कर सकते हैं. radian में कैसा रहोगे आप? So consider this K is in the radian. So this becomes 7K radian. It is equals to 2 pi radian you have to take in that case. Okay. Yes. So if you follow this method, you can get the answer. Finally, the interior and exterior in degree as well as in the radian. So what are the answers for this question is, first answer is, this is what I have, the first exterior angle 360 upon 70 degree, and this is what we have the next interior angle. Okay, so first part has done here. We have converted the angles in the degree. Now it's your turn to get in the radians. Okay, get this in the radian and this also in the radian and complete this question. I hope you will do this. Yes, everyone? Good. Everyone will do this. Okay, no problem. Let's have the next question, which is totally based on the concept of clocks. Very important. You will find this concept in any competitive examination. Okay, so this question is very important as far as your competitive examinations is concerned. Now let's see how we can solve these questions with the help of the concepts which we have studied in these angles and measurement. Okay, let me zoom it. Cool. So if you have any doubt, you can ask here. Do not hesitate to ask your doubts, please. Shall we proceed for question number 14? Yes, please. Everyone. Sahil, is it okay? Chinmay, Ketki, Nikita J. Yes, please. Yes, Shalaka. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed to the question number 14. Find the angle between hour hand and minute hand in the clock. Okay, hour hand and minute hand in the clock at 10 past 11, 20 past 7, 30 past 35 past 1 and quarter to 6 to 20 and 10. Okay, so before proceeding to this question number 14, first let's understand what do you mean by clock. Okay, clock में क्या होता है भाई, पिक्चर क्या होता है, let's understand. Okay, so let's have one circle here which is a clock. Okay, and we will have the time here. Okay, so let's have, this is what we have is 12, 3, 6 and 9. Please understand this one question, it will be very helpful to solve all the remaining questions. एक कंसेप्ट समझ में आया ना तो कुछ नहीं, बहुत एकदम इजी होगा सब. ओके, सो लेट्स हैव हियर, सो दिस इज 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, this is 5, 6, then we have 7, 8, 9, 10 and it's 11. Okay, somewhere here we will have hour hand and minute hand. Okay, suppose this is छोटा ये hour hand है and ये बड़ा वाला ये minute hand है. We will consider like this. Okay, cool. Now understand that total how much degree we have in a circle, in a clock. Suppose we have this hour hand. Okay, suppose we have this hour hand. For one complete rotation how much angle it will complete. ये complete rotation में ये कितना angle कवर करेगा. For one single revolution, okay, rotation, how much degree it will cover? It will definitely cover 360 degree. Okay, if the 360 degree is the total and this total 360 degree has divided into 12 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 असे 12 equal parts आहेत. Means total 360 degree has, okay, so total 360 degree has divided into 12 equal parts. So एक part will be of how much degree? So if you see कुठल्याही 2 digit मध्ये how much degree you will find? Yes, how much degree you will find in any 2 digits, any 2 consecutive digits, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. It should be 30 degree. ये 30 degree, ये भी 30 degree रहेगा. Okay, cool, very good. Now having known this, the concept of this एका तासामध्ये द आर हँड विल मूव 360 डिग्री, सॉरी 30 डिग्री. द आर हँड विल मूव 30 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द क्वेश्चन. इतना ही काफ़ी है. दिस मच इज नॉट नो कोनाल. वन विल हैव एज अ 30 डिग्री, इट्स नॉट 20 डिग्री. ओके, बघा ना, 360 डिग्री डिवायडेड बाय 12 इक्वल पार्ट्स आहेत ना, 12×36 ना. सो किती झाले, एक सेक्शन किती झाला, 30 डिग्रीचा झाला एक सेक्शन. त्याच्यामुळे ईच अँड एव्हरी सेक्टर विल बी ऑफ 30 डिग्री. ओके, वन पार्ट ऑफ 30 डिग्री. येस, गुड स्वप्नील. ओके, सो लेट्स अंडरस्टँड 10 past 11 मीन्स हाऊ मच. 10 past 11, पहिल्यांदा हे समजून घ्या की हाउ दे गिव द टाइम. 10 past 11 मतलब क्या है, 11 बज चुका है आपके घड़ी में एंड 11:10 हुआ है. ओके, 11 वाजून 10 मिनटं झाले. सो इट इज लाईक दिस 11:10. ओके, फर्स्ट लेट्स ड्रॉ दिस 11:10 हियर. Okay, suppose this is what we have 11. So this is what is the small hour hand, and 10 will be like this. We will have exactly 11:10. Okay, see here, because of this 11:10, how much angle you are observing in between these two. Okay, initially we will consider this hour hand is exactly at 11 and the minute hand is exactly at 2. Okay, so how much degree you are finding in between these two? So I have told you that one is of 30 degree, ये 30 डिग्री हो गया, ये भी 30 डिग्री है, मतलब टोटल 90 डिग्री आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग हियर. yes or no, exactly 90 डिग्री. ओके ओके, बट टेल मी, हा 90 डिग्री म्हणजे हा जो आर हँड आहे, दॅट आर हँड विल बी ॲट 11 एक्झॅक्टली वेन दिस मिनिट हँड इज ॲट 12. I hope you are understanding this. This R hand will be exactly at 11 when the minute hand is exactly at 12. Okay, but they have given that the minute hand has covered the more 10 minutes. It covered the 10 minutes. जेव्हा हा 10 minutes कव्हर करतो तेव्हा हा R hand पण इकडे कुठेतरी मूव व्हायला पाहिजे. Okay, it will move clockwise direction. This R hand will move clockwise direction. So how many degrees it will move when the minute hand is moving for 10 minutes? Understand this question. Okay, yes, see, one thing we know that for 60 degree movement of minute hand, the R hand moves. मतलब 60 minute मतलब क्या हो गया, ये मिनिट हँड जेव्हा 60 मिनिट रोटेट करतो तेव्हा 1 तास कंप्लीट होतो, म्हणजे तो 11 वरून 12 वर येईल. पण कधी, जेव्हा मिनिट हँड 60 डिग्री रोटेट झाला तेव्हा, सॉरी 60 मिनिट. ओके, सॉरी, इट्स नॉट डिग्री, इट्स अ मिनिट. सॉरी, आई विल राइट इट लाइक दिस. 60 मिनिट व्हेन द मिनिट हँड रोटेट्स दी. ओके, ये टोटल 60 मिनिट. Then we will have 30 degree movement in the R hand. Yes or no? For 60 minute we have 30 degree movement in the R hand. आपल्याला किती मूव करायचं आहे हो, आपल्याला 10 minutes मूव करायचं. सो 10 minutes साठी R hand किती मूव करेल, so that I have to find it. So x is equals to simple do cross multiplication. It's a 330 into 10 divided by 60. Okay, so 6 cancels here, 6×35, so it is nothing but 5 degree. मतलब for this extra 10 minute my R hand is rotating by 5 degree in the clockwise direction. In the clockwise direction. Now can you please tell me exactly how much angle we will get between R hand and minute hand at 10 past 11. At 10 past 11, getting this angle is very important. पहिल्यांदा आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलंय, that calculation is equals to 90 degree. where we have considered that ideally this hour hand is at exactly 11 and minute hand is exactly at 2, but this is not the case. Because of this movement of 10, this minute hand by 10 minutes, the hour hand shifts itself by 5 degree. Now how much angle is remaining in between these two? Yes, how much angle is remaining? Yes, who will tell me how much angle is remaining now? What is the exact angle between these two? पहिले 90 होता दोघांच्या मध्ये, पण 10 मिनिट तो चालल्यामुळे मिनिट हँड, the hour hand shifted by 5 degree in the clockwise direction. So can I subtract those 5 degree from 90 degree? So I will get answer as 85 degree. I hope you are getting this. Okay, so this is how we get the answer. Is it okay? That's great, Shalaka. Cool. I hope everyone has understood this concept. This is very important concept. Okay, ये तो अभी पहला example हुआ है. We have so many questions in this. We will solve 2 more questions and definitely you will understand this concept. Yes, 90 minus 5. Great Swapnil. What about Nikita J, Kunal? Okay, Sahil. Yes, what about you people? PK, Chinmay, Vaidehi. Yes, please do answers. Be interactive here. Srinivas. Yes, Srinivas. Ashok. Gavde. Yes, everyone, please be interactive here. If you have not understood, please raise your concern here. Okay? Cool. So, with this, we will check one more question. 20 past 7. Let's take this question. Second one. 20 past 7 मतलब कितना हो गया? टाइम कितना हो गया? 20 past 7 मतलब टाइम कितना हो गया भाई बताओ पहले. ये होना चाहिए समझ में आना. मतलब 7 आणि हे 20 म्हणजे 7 वाजून 20 मिनिटं झाल्यात असं म्हणतोय तो. 20 past 7 मतलब 7 बज के 20 मिनट हुआ है. ओके, नाउ चलो लेट्स टेक, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. Okay, so let's have the circle clock. Okay, cool. Now let's have the digits 12 3 6 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 आणि हे 11. ओके, अभी सेकंड क्वेश्चन है 7 बज के 20 मिनट्स का अगर टाइम रहेगा तो इन दोनों के बीच में एंगल निकालना है. सो आर हँड अँड मिनिट हँड मधला एंगल काढायचं. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज व्हॉट? कन्सिडर आर हँड is exactly at 7. Our hand is exactly at 7. We will consider, okay, exactly at 7. And minute hand, okay, अगर 20 minute है तो minute hand will where it will lie for 20 minutes. Where will be the my minute hand? And minute hand is exactly at, yes, please tell me, it will be at, yes, 20 minute के लिए the minute hand will be where? 7 वाजून 20 मिनिटं आहेत. सर 7 इथे वाजले, आता 20 मिनिटाला minute hand कुठे राहील? येस, ग्रेट शलाका. यस, हा 4 वरती राहील ना यार, किती सोपं आहे. दिस विल बी ॲट 4, म्हणजे किती झाले? 7 वाजून 20 मिनिटं झाले ना आता. ओके, कन्सिडर आहे, ये कन्सिडरेशन है भाई अपना. ऑफकोर्स हा जेव्हा 4 वरती येईल तेव्हा हा 7 वरती राहणारच नाही, हा थोडासा समोर गेलेला असेल. ओके, तो 7 वरती राहणारच नाही. पण आपण काय करतोय, आपण ॲझ्युम करतोय की तो 7 वरच आहे. का ॲझ्युम करतोय? कारण आपल्याला इनिशियल अँगल भेटेल त्याच्याने. ओके, सो व्हॉट विल बी द इनिशियल अँगल देन? What will be the initial angle in between these two? Yes, Second step is what? Step number 2 is what? Find initial angle between them. Find initial angle between them. So how much we'll have initial angle? ये 30, 30 आणि 30 म्हणजे हे किती झाले हो? 90 डिग्री झाले. आता इनिशियल अँगल बिटवीन आर हँड अँड मिनिट हँड बिकम्स 90 डिग्री. Yes, cool. Now if we consider exact rotation of this minute hand, but as minute hand rotates by 20 minutes extra, the R hand will move clockwise. Yes or no? जर इथे जर हा मिनिट हँड जर बरोबर 12 वाजता राहिला असता तर आपल्याला हा अँगल बरोबर भेटला असता की 7 वर आहे. बट हा 7 वर नाहीये ना आता. सॉरी, हा मिनिट हँड 12 वर नाहीये ना, मिनिट हँड आहे 4 वरती. सो बिकॉज ऑफ movement of this 20 minutes of my minute hand, what happens? This R hand will move somewhat degree in the clockwise direction. Okay, मग तो किती डिग्री समोर जाईल? लेट्स फाइंड आउट. आपल्याला माहिती रिलेशन 60 मिनिट जर झाला, एका 60 मिनिटमध्ये आर हँड विल मूव फॉर 30 डिग्री. म्हणजे मिनिट हँड वेन इट कम्प्लीट्स वन रोटेशन, दॅट इज 1 मिनिट, सॉरी 60 मिनिट. हा 60 मिनिट झाला ना, इथून इथंपर्यंत आला म्हणजे तो 60 मिनिट झाला. जेव्हा मिनिट हँड जेव्हा 60 मिनिट कंप्लीट करतो तेव्हा आपला आर हँड विल मूव बाय 30 डिग्री. ओके, सो अपने को कितना मिनट घूमना है? 20 मिनट्स घूमना है. सो 20 मिनट्स के लिए कितना टाइम आएगा फिर अभी अपने पास? सो लेट्स डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच? इट्स 30 डिग्री इंटू 20 मिनट्स डिवाइडेड बाय वी हैव 60 मिनट. यस और नो? ओके, सो ये 6 कैंसिल हो गया, ये 3 पे कैंसिल हो गया एंड ये आ गया भाई 10 डिग्री. ओके, सो एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच? 10 डिग्री. नाउ 10 डिग्री मीन्स व्हाट? When this minute hand moves from 12 to 4, this 7, that is R hand, will move by 10 degree in this direction. Originally it has 90 degree in between them. Now how much angle you will have here in between these two? हा समोर 10 डिग्री पास्ट झाला. This is what we have the 10 degree, extra 10 degree. म्हणजे हा 90 मध्ये तुम्ही 10 डिग्री ऍड करणार का? Of course, in that 90 I have to add that 10 degree. Okay, so how much angle you will get finally? So initially we had 90 degree initial angle, and the rotation of R hand because of the minute hand rotation, that is 10 degree, which is nothing but 100 degree. If you observe very carefully, in this question we have added the x value, and in the previous question we have subtracted the x value. Why so? We have subtracted this x value. Why so? देखो भाई यहाँ पे it's very important to understand. See, in this question, first question, our R hand is approaching the minute hand. देखो भाई, R hand is approaching the minute hand and it is in the acute. But in the second case, our R hand is moving away from the minute hand. Okay, that's why ये दोनों के बीच का जो एंगल है it is expanding. Okay, the further it goes, the more angle you will get in between these two. That's great, Swapnil. Cool. Okay, all people are doing great here. So I hope you have understood the concept now. We will take one more question and we will stop then. So let's have, which question you want to solve here? So let me give you the timing only for this. The third question is saying 35 past 1 मतलब कितना हो गया भाई? टाइम कितना हो गया? 35 past 1 मतलब how much time? Quarter to 6 means how much time? Yes please. 35 past 1 मतलब yes, it's 1:35. cool. Okay, quarter to 6 means what? 6 quarter करोगे क्या? नहीं, it quarter to 6 means how much? It's a 5:45. okay, understanding this timings is very important. अगर यही नहीं आया तो हमको कुछ नहीं आएगा फिर. okay, we should understand what is the timing. okay, एक वजन 35 मिनट, 5 वजन 45 मिनट, and these are two straight forwards, 220 and 1010. okay, let's solve one more question. Which question you want me to solve? Let's take the third one only, 1:35. okay, is it okay? Fourth one you want to solve me? okay, let's solve the fourth one. okay, cool. Let's solve the fourth one. Quarter to 6, it's a 5:45. so let's take the fourth one. It's a 5:45. okay, let's have clock. okay, let's have the times. 12, 3, 6, 9. okay, quarter to 6 means what? 5:45. Rohit, is it okay everyone? पौने 6, quarter to 6 means पौने 6. okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. okay, great. अभी देखो भाई, स्टेप नंबर 1 इज व्हाट? consider our hand is at how much? our hand is at 5. our hand is at 5. ओके, जे दिलेलं आहे त्याच्यावरती बघा, दिस इज व्हॉट वी हॅव आर हँड अँड दिस डॉटच्या नंतर जो आहे तो मिनिट हँड आहे. आर हँड इज ॲट 5, सो लेट्स ड्रॉ दॅट आर हँड. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हॉट वी हॅव द आर हँड. अँड कन्सिडर द मिनिट हँड इज ॲट हाऊ मच? इज ॲट for 45 degree, where you will find the minute hand. This will be at 9. This will be at 9. Cool. Okay, second step is what? Find the angle between them. Find the initial angle. Find the initial angle. How much initial angle you will get here? Yes, please tell me the initial angle. How much initial angle you will have in between these two? इनिशियल अँगल कितना हो गया भाई? एक 2 3 आणि 4 तास झालेले आहेत. मतलब कितना हो गया? 4 × 30. एक सेक्टर कितने का रहेगा भाई? 30 डिग्री का रहेगा ना एक सेक्टर. ऐसे 4 सेक्टर है अपने पास. सो इट इज व्हाट वी हैव 4 × 30 विच बिकम्स 120 डिग्री. सो 120 डिग्री वी गेट हियर इनिशियल एंगल. Now third step is what? Because of rotation of minute hand by how much? 45 minutes. हा 45 मिनिट समोर आल्यामुळे this 5 hand our hand will move in this direction. Yes or no? In this direction. So for that what you will get? The relation is what? For 60 minute the R hand will move by 30 degree. So 45 minutes साठी कितीने move होईल तो? So for 45 minutes how much angle I will get here? Okay, so x is equals to how much you will get? It's a 30 degree into 45 minutes divided by 60 minutes. So 15 3 45 आणि 15 4 60. So we have here equals to it's 90 degree by 4. Okay, and if you solve this you will get 4 2 is 8 and so 20 राहिले इथे. So 10, so it's a 2. remaining is what? It's a 22.5. 425, yes. So it's a 22.5 degree you will get here. I hope you are getting this. Okay, so 22.5 degree you are getting the value of x. Now tell me what you will do. You will add or subtract. This 22.5 degree is how much? हे काय indicate करता है? 22.5 is indicating what? Because of this 45 minutes movement of the minute hand, the hour hand will move by 22.5 degree. I hope it is clear. Okay, so 22.5 degree it is moving towards the minute hand now. Now what you will do? You will add x or subtract x. Initial angle is what? It is a 120 degree. So you will add or subtract. 120 degree होता हा, आधी 120 degree होता, आता हा इकडे मूव झालाय. So you will add or subtract. Yes, please. So definitely, as this hour hand is approaching the minute hand, we have to subtract this angle 22.5 degree. We have to subtract that angle. कारण बघा ना, हा जर इकडे मूव होत असेल तर हा दोघांमधला अँगल कमी झाला ना. So that's why we have to subtract this angle. Okay, is it okay everyone? Okay, so how much you will get? 120 minus 22.5, it is equals to how much you will get? It's a 97.5 degree you will get. 97.5 degree. So we do not want the decimals here in the degree. So for that what you can say is it's a 97 degree. So 0.5 degree means what? How much minutes you will get? For this you will get 30 minutes. Is it okay everyone? Yes, great Shalaka. Subtract Rohit, very good beta, very good. Okay, so we'll get as a 97 degree and 30 minutes as the measure of angle in between these two. Okay, good. Swapnil, you are having that doubt like, sir, quarter to 6 means it's a 6:15. No, for 6:15 we directly say it's a 6:15. 6, or you can say it's a 15 past 6. We say like this. 15 past 6 means what? ये हो गया 6:15. ओके, क्वार्टर टू 6 मतलब क्या है भाई? 6 बजने के लिए अभी क्वार्टर बाकी है. क्वार्टर मतलब वो पेग वाला क्वार्टर नहीं है, ये क्वार्टर अलग है. क्वार्टर वाई इट इज सेइंग. सो फॉर टोटल रोटेशन किती असतो? 360 डिग्रीचा असतो. मग ह्याला जर मी 4 मध्ये जर डिवाइड केला तर काय होईल? 4 मध्ये डिवाइड केला तर काय होईल? हा किती झाला? 90 डिग्री झाला. सो क्वार्टर मीन्स व्हॉट? इट्स अ 4. म्हणजे हे क्वार्टर म्हणजे काय? 90 डिग्रीचा एक क्वार्टर झाला 360 मध्ये. ओके, क्वार्टर टू 6 मतलब 6 ला 15 मिनटं बाकी आहेत. 6 ला 15 मिनटं बाकी आहेत. आय होप यू हॅव अंडरस्टूड स्वप्नील. इज इट ओके? ओके, no worries. So the remaining 3 questions you solve on your own. That is question number 3, 5th and 6th. You take this as a homework, and above 2 questions we left the radian part. Okay, so these 5 questions you have to take as a homework, and if you have any doubt you can message me anytime, or you can leave your doubts here in the comment box. Okay, so we will meet again tomorrow with the new concepts. Okay, so I hope you find this lecture helpful. So with this we will stop here. Thank you. Any doubt, anyone? If you have any doubt, please let me know.